full of challenges, and when it occurs, don't budge. Just take solace in our reinvention program. Our clients face some of the hardest moments, and yet they don't let those times define their future. Our reinvention team is able to discover the best course of action to restore your peace of mind and happiness. You were not meant to go through hardship alone, and that's why we take so much pride in every individual case that comes to us. Reinvention Strategies is our solution to your piercing and suffocating pressures of existence. It could be financial, neglect, loss of loved one, or strife. No more suffering from insurmountable situation of life, or simply no more dysfunctionality in the pursuit of daily life. Adobe Onyekweli, through her mentorship, can arise a new journey on your life-defined goals. We put our foot down, go in a new direction, and together we help you get to where you need your desired purpose of reinvention. Adobe Onyekweli is a 5-time cardiac arrest survivor, mother, businesswoman, and passionate life coach.
My business is to support women. Today, I have supported over 5,000 women to start their own businesses. And this is what we are looking for.
She is all too familiar with feelings of inadequacy, pressure from work, and balancing family obligations. Adobe is so passionate about initiating life transformations for others.
I have come to realize that life is what you make it. Today, I help thousands of women to realize what they want to do in life. How do I do this? Optimization, life optimization.
Her background as a teacher, leader, and wellness trainer encapsulates everything you would need in a coach. It is no wonder her clients describe her as the perfect person to offer support and guidance on their journey to prosperity. She specializes in coaching you through difficult life transitions, whether it be starting a new business, being let go from your job, motherhood, or taking back control of your health. With Adobe's Reinvention Blueprint, you are seamlessly led to a balanced, healthy, and purposeful life of your choice. Adobe believes all of our clients deserve to live a fulfilling life of their dreams, and she is ready to work closely with you for a dramatic outcome. Adobe has been sought out by prestigious organizations, medical doctors, naturopaths, and fitness gurus. She ensures that everyone has the opportunity to discover their power. Despite her incredible influence and talent, Adobe kindly opens her services to absolutely everyone. Today, Adobe offers a variety of resources. She kindly offers free 30-minute consultation to jumpstart your life change. Adobe Onyekweli regularly does coaching, seminars, and keynote speeches.
I'm Adobe, the Reinvention Coach. Thank you.
Do not wait to start a living.